Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm your new teacher, Sister Sundus, and I hope you will enjoy the entire class with me today, inshallah. So let's begin. So as per the promise, I'm here with the new lesson that is about Kasrah. In your book or in your Qaida, Ahsanul Qawaid, you will find this lesson on page number 11 with the name of lesson number 5. So we will be doing Kasrah today. Kasrah is always under the letter. You can see here alif with kasrah. Yes, that's smart. You know this, that if there is something on alif or below alif or any dot, any jazm or any shadda on alif, the alif will not remain alif, it will become hamza. Okay, the kasrah sounds like E. And yes, again, you are not supposed to stretch it. Neither you are going to make a jumpy sound. Just read it normally, calm yourself, and read like a regular reciter. So let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So read after me. Hamza kasra E. Ba kasra B. Ta kasra T. Tha kasra Thi. Jim kasra G. Ha kasra Hi. Kha kasra Khi. Dal kasra D. Dhal kasra ذي. را kasra ri. za kasra zi. sin kasra si. shin kasra shi. صاد kasra صي. ضاد kasra ضي. طا kasra طي. ظا kasra ضي. عين كسرة عي. غين كسرة غي. فا كسرة في. قاف كسرة قي. كاف كسرة كي. لام كسرة لي. ميم كسرة مي. نون كسرة ني. واو كسرة في. ها كسرة هي. همزة كسرة إي. and ya كسرة يي. Yeah, that's the end of the lesson today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to practice this sabak for the whole week. Stay tuned. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.